Hello and welcome back to the War of Cardboard. Today I will be doing a price and detail look comparison between the Oppo Blitz here, the actual bolt action model, and this is a military toy for army soldiers. And yeah, we'll be doing a sort of contest to see which one is actually better in terms of price, looks, gameplay, durability. Now the real model was around $45, which is quite a lot. This is very small, about 4 inches long, and is really nice art and everything. Comes with the profile cards, damage markers, smoke, like damage smoke, and then it comes with the fire there. And we have decal sheets, and there's construction leaflet and everything in there, everything you need. It's a nice model, very well detailed. And I didn't do the greatest job painting this, but it's okay. And yeah, it's good. And the bottom is nice as well. There's nothing that's hidden here that's ugly. And there's 10 Germans in there being transported to wherever they're going. Now this is a military toy for, toy soldiers you'd find at the dollar store or wherever. And it's flimsy plastic, but it was less than $1, and it doesn't look terrible. So I kind of like that. Now there are different ways of building the real Oppo Blitz. I lost a door there, but I put the top on this one. The toy does not come with it before it's painted. They're all just like this. For $12, I got 16 of those, which is pretty good because 16 of these, $45 each. I'm bad at math, but that's quite a lot of money. Now the wheels on this, really nice, quite good. But yeah, the wheels on this one aren't terrible. You can tell it's a toy, definitely. And there are lots and lots of mold lines and things that aren't exactly pleasing to the eye. Now the real model, the Oppo Blitz, does have more weight because it has all this bottom detail and it's solid plastic, many parts. It's pretty nice. This is just empty at the bottom. And the plastic is thin, squishy. Well, not squishy, just flimsy. See that. But in terms of looks, they're both pretty good. In terms of looks and almost everything else, I would definitely choose the Oppo Blitz because it is a real model. It is just expensive, that is the problem. But if I was trying to save money, I'd for sure buy this. You can find them in lots of different sites, just like small military, army, truck, and you should be able to find it. Yeah, they're all very cheap. This was, like I said, less than $1, which is really great. So far, I've only painted 2 of them, but I have 16, and that was only $12. So yeah, if you are trying to find a cheap proxy for truck transports, common transports, this is a really good thing to buy because there's just so many for such a small price. It's pretty great. Now if we were to compare them to the size of a miniature, which is the most important thing I'd say, or maybe not, but the scale is very important. Now the Warlord Games models are made like specifically to fit the models, so it's perfect. But yeah, it's definitely good with this, but it's not quite exactly the same scale. Like the men in the back, they're roughly the same size, but normally the models are a little bit smaller. So the Warlord Games models to scale are pretty good. The actual toy is not that much different. You can imagine the guy climbing into the seat there. It would fit him pretty well. The back is meant to transport like 10 to 12 guys. You can imagine them all lined up on the sides, and they would fit just like in the back of this one. They're similar in length. The Opel Blitz is a little bit smaller. This is a tad longer, and all these trucks are exactly the same size. That's the other one. But now I think we should see how each of them look on a table, set up with the entire battlefield.